If Netflix is blocked on your smart TV, here's how you can unblock it step by step. And before we start, I recommend using Surfshark VPN. It's a great solution to unlock Netflix libraries from anywhere, keep your browsing private, and avoid restrictions. There's a link in the description where you can try Surfshark at a great price. Step 1. Check if your smart TV supports VPN apps. If you have an Android TV or a Fire TV stick, you can install Surfshark directly. Just go to the App Store on your TV, search for Surfshark, download, and install it. Step 2. Open the Surfshark app and log in with your account details. If you don't have an account yet, sign up on your phone or computer first. It's quick. Step 3. Connect to a server in the country whose Netflix library you want. For example, choose the US to watch US Netflix. Step 4. Once connected, open Netflix on your TV. You should now see the new regions library, and you can start streaming right away. If your TV doesn't support VPN apps, here's what to do. Step 5. Set up Surfshark on your Wi-Fi router. This way, all devices in your home, including your smart TV, will be protected and appear to be in the location you choose. Step 6. If you don't want to change your router settings, share your VPN connection from a laptop or phone. Just connect Surfshark, turn on your hotspot, and connect your TV to it. Step 7. You can also use Surfshark's Smart DNS feature. Go into your TV's network settings, enter the Smart DNS details from your Surfshark account, and restart your TV. This will change your Netflix region without full encryption and can be faster for streaming. If Netflix still doesn't work or shows an error, try switching to another Surfshark server in the same country, clear the Netflix cache, or restart your TV. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you can unblock Netflix on any smart TV. The link to try Surfshark VPN at a great price is in the description.